forth. All them there, we all them dead it. All them there, we all them dead it. All them there, we all them dead it. Come and run off them out like them think I yesterday. All them there, we all them dead it.
Solid Rock family, you're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast. I want to take you back into memory lane a bit, back to about, I'd say summer 92 or summer 93. It was Sunsplash, and I want to talk about Sunsplash 93. And I remember I was around 8 or 9 years old, and that was the first time Bogle, Mr.Wacky, was presented to the world on an international aspect. When Buju Banton brought him out on stage, and man, it was just, you never seen nothing like that before. And you know, I just want to take you guys back to that moment, that original moment when the original Bogle, now let me tell you something, people. You know, it was a very sad day when we lost that man, because I'm telling you, nothing or no one can replace Bogle, no matter, that is the man right there, right? So I'm just going to give you a peek into a historical moment in reggae dancehall history. Here we go, check it out. Tuning out, Solid Rock, keep everything solid.
Bogle! Go here, you time, you dance on it. You know, and then you then you rock, then you drink. Go to the drum and make your body tick. Take forward and I just see you shine when you play Sando. That bounce and dance and music sweet you. Bogle around the place, nice. Just rock bounce and dance. I must sing on it and after the Bogle stay. Can't do it too much, you move anyway. For real, me love how they can't let me do it. It's to them look sweet. Just cut. The booyaka. Big time. Come again, good boy. That a man, Mr. Mention. That is called the cat star. What's your other man? I'm going to say that after the Bogle stay. I'm doing good, but they must trouble anyway. For real, they love how they can let me do it. That's it. So that them look sweet. Can't come in, don't stand up and see.